This is Morganzer Place. It's 7344. The winner of 93. Let's go look at the park. That's our park. This is some storm. I love it. Over the river and through the woods to grandfather's house we go. Well, gotta go buy provisions. We're gonna be in for the weekend. This asshole's stuck in the middle of the street. It's because he didn't buy a Pathfinder. Okay, take your time. We're on Lindbergh Boulevard, approaching 70th. And the wind is kicking up out there. He's stuck. These poor bastards trying to get out. He's in trouble. The hell with him, I ain't helping him. He's stuck. Need help? I ain't helping you. This is unbelievable. That's our park. this guy.
David, now we're going live on the phone to a gentleman by the name of Bill Mendel. He is in Hamburg, Bucks County, and Mr. Mendel is with the Pennsylvania Emergency Management
What are you
Services.
doing?
Mr. Mendel, we know we have states of emergency in New Jersey and a partial state of emergency
Silly
in Delaware.
bird.
What is the status in the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania?
The king gone.
Obviously, we've lost Bill Mendel, who was talked to us from Hamburg, and
You done with this stuff?
try to get back to him on
I don't know.
as soon as we possibly scheduled for Sunday the 21st. There will be no longer today. We do have one member back on the phone now from Hamburg in Bucks County. Bill, can you hear me now? Well, you all contacted us before. What I want to know, most importantly, is the status of a decision.
Also coming down City Line Avenue, it looks like a truck has lost carpet. There is carpet all over the road. There are also buses that are now stuck on the side of the road. To give you an idea of what a difference this makes, what's happened in the past hour, take a look at some tape that we shot just a little while ago. Now the tape was shot in Ballackinwood. We ran into a couple of people whose car got stuck. Eventually, they were able to push the car back onto the road with some help. We also ran into people who said that they needed to get something to eat. They were taking a walk, and you were able to walk then. It was a little windy, and of course, the snow was blowing in your face, but not the kind of problems that we're experiencing now. There you go, the cars again. I don't know if these cars could get through right now. I mean, this tape literally was shot less than an hour ago, and I don't know, these guys walked from Manayunk to Ballackinwood, and it only took them a couple of minutes. Not right now. What are you doing out here?
Getting some food to go home and, enjoy the afternoon inside.
Obviously.
Look at these two. They're shoveling the pavement. They're throwing the snow on top of one another. Michael and George.
How am I going to get my car out? He's pushing all against my car. Your car goes right through that?
Yep, right through it. No trouble.
Tell him to put it in front of your car.
It was going through mountains before. You should have seen it. I wanted to drive through the park with it.
They said this is just the wall.
Why, it's supposed to start again?
Mm-hmm. The winds and the snow. It's going to start again.
What are you doing?
Watch Crazy Mike and Crazy George.
What are they
They're
doing?
shoveling snow and they're throwing it on each other.
Is that all they got
They're
to
like two
do?
little kids.
I want to go play in the snow.
Now go play in the snow.
I want to wear boots.
I'm fine. You can boots
Look at the
someplace.
kid sliding down the step across the street.
Oh, I miss them days.
Look, they're sliding down
They
the step.
don't let me play with them. Go. What are you doing? Are you lonely? Are you lonely?
I know.
How much you charge, George? How much you charge, George?
Come on now, what are we, free?
2.
Yeah, where am I at? Find these people. Frank, keep this on camera so I have proof when I sue you for the payment.
Is that what it is? Why are you shoveling over there, Mike?
So you get in and out.
Yes, after you shovel, somebody else is going to take your place.
I told him not to do too much of a job on it.
Just wash my hair. You got dirty snow.
It's clean stuff. So wash your hair twice this week instead of once a year.
Don't do wordy stuff.
Don't do that. Yeah, if I pass out, then my second payment.
Oh, my mother's car. Look at that.
You should have seen me with the Pathfinder this morning. I was flying all over. I was four-wheeling all morning. It goes through anything. Anything it goes
You've been
through.
sleeping like everybody else.
I was out 9 o'clock.
You can't do nothing with this stupid show. What is this stupid
That's a good shovel.
Oh, put this on camera, this shovel.
That's a nice one, George.
It's the one they built the railroads with back in the 1800s.
That looks like an Academy Award.
Good shovel. Long handle. Some Chinese immigrant used it.
This shovel stinks.
Jennifer, shovel over there. Over there. He's not going to go any place with that car. I don't know why he's even worried about getting out. He's stuck. Tell him to go back more. You look like a sheepdog, Jennifer.
Huh?
You look like a sheepdog.
Sheepdog?
Yeah.
I gotta look like a model to shovel snow?
Yeah.
Where are you going, George? You're not done. Yeah, let's pull the snow in.
Yeah, right. There she is with the stupid bird.
What? You have a heart attack.
You got a lot of shoveling to do, Jeff.
Not shoveling.
I'm having fun.
Not having fun at all. You're all extra again. The heck with it, right?
No way.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
No way. It's supposed to start again, they said.
The window at Spectrum broke today. Yeah, I know. I broke it. No, he got you.
Starting to come down again. Starting to come down again.
Get out of here. You don't know that. You want him at us? Give it a hand.
Here comes that wind. This is amazing. Here we are down the lakes. This is where we started at.
I know, it's crazy.
We started over here.
Yeah, right?
There's the old trusty Pathfinder that got us here. This is amazing.
Want me to get you in it?
The big storm of '93. Huh? What are you called? Put your hood up. Look at the seagulls. They think they're going to eat. They must be starved. They must be starved.
It's so empty.
It's all ice. Look at the ducks all the way out there just sitting on the ice. Look.
Look at that cold water.
They're just sitting on the ice. The seagulls must be starving.
Some food Huh?
Yeah.
Come on, I'll get you in it.
Huh?
Let me get you in it before I freeze. Yeah.
Gotta jump off.
You know, you're crazy.
Let's ride around. It's ice. Oh, it looks so cold out there. Look at the lake, it's completely frozen. Oh, it is. There's all kids sliding down the hill. Looks like fun.
We should have the video camera when we were right here. We went up the mountains.
Yeah.
We went sliding, we did, and sledding. We had so much fun that year.
Come on, kid, come down. There he goes.
jumping up and down the tree. Just 3 of them. 4. Look at them all. They're running all around the trees. They're so fast. Looking.
Look at that one on top of a trash can.
They hibernated in winter.
Here we are at the Spectrum. There's the broken window that canceled the game yesterday. How's that for action news? Here it is. Wave to the camera. Wave to the camera. Wave. That's another broken window over there. They still didn't fix the goddamn thing. It's 2 days already. That's a city for you. Here's my hat. Going down Packer Avenue. There's my hat. You can't get out? Lock it. This is unbelievable. Go ahead.
Step back or alarm will sound.
That's the alarm on the truck. They're going all the way down the street to get his car out.
Where's Daddy? He said he went to the bakery to go buy rolls.
Oh, they
You
got to
believe it? He went to the bakery?
Maybe he walked.
He did. What do you think he did?
Nothing's
I start hollering. I said, what did he do?
around here.
She said, well, there was no bread. I said, where's Anthony? He's sleeping.
Yeah, we were going to come and get you.
You forgot about
We had so much fun.
Not far away. Everything's closed.
Now, where'd they have to go?
Try to move it right in
Dig Joey's truck out.
Jeez.
You believe it?
Something smells good.
I'm making gravy. Why don't you stay and
Let's
eat?
see. We gotta go make soup. Oh, that looks good. Look at that. That smells good.
Pictures of food.
Mmm.
Everything revolves around food.
Oh, jeez, gravy. Let's stay for dinner, Mayor.
I
We
don't
don't.
want to
We could stay for dinner.
I'll send their dish